Hi everyone, Tracy here with Kokokahn Essential Oils, coming to you today to talk about ways to use bergamot essential oil, continuing our education from the last video, which was the benefits of bergamot essential oil. So there's 4 different ways I'm going to show you how you can use bergamot essential oil. The first way is for nervous tummies or upset tummies, especially upset tummies because of nerves. So to do that, you just take 1 ounce of aloe gel, or about 2 tablespoons of aloe gel, and you're going to add 10 to 12 drops of bergamot essential oil into the aloe gel, and you're going to shake it really well, and then you can spray it on your hands and rub it right on your belly for that nervous tension or upset tummy feeling. The next way that you can use bergamot essential oil is for those spastic coughs, or those tickly coughs that can't seem to calm down, just to help calm them down. And in that case, you do 1 ounce of sunflower oil or 2 tablespoons sunflower oil, and you would add 8 to 10 drops of bergamot essential oil. Give it a quick shake, spray it on your hands, and rub it on your chest. You can even dab a little under your nose so that you're breathing it in closer. That's a great way for those spastic coughs. The third way that you can use bergamot essential oil is for stress. If you're going through a grieving period, or you're having some sadness, some emotional sadness in your life, a great way to use bergamot is in an essential oil necklace. So these necklaces open like a locket. Let's see if I can get it open. Yep. So they open like a locket, and they come with a pack of 5 or 6 felt pads, and you just put 5 drops of bergamot essential oil onto the pad, and then it closes. And then as you're walking around throughout the day, you're breathing in the bergamot essential oil. That's a great way to use it for that stress, sadness, grief, just when you need like a real mood pick-me-up. And then the last and probably easiest, or one of the easiest ways to use bergamot essential oil, is to diffuse it in a diffuser. That's great to, again, that's just 5 or 6 drops in an essential oil diffuser in the home. Great way to kind of lift moods, especially if the whole family is grieving, or there's just kind of a heavy weight in the air in the home. Diffusing some bergamot will help lift spirits a little bit. So I hope that gives you guys some useful tips on ways to use bergamot essential oil. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, or Kokokahn's YouTube channel, and you can also visit us on Facebook and Instagram, and then you can shop any of the products you see here, plus lots more of essential oils on our website at kokokahn.com. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.